Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use margin with Interactive Brokers. Margin trading allows you to borrow funds from Interactive Brokers to increase your buying power. This means you can trade more securities than you could with just your own capital, potentially boosting your returns. A significant benefit is the flexibility it offers, as margin accounts often bypass the typical 2-day settlement period for trades, allowing quicker access to funds for new opportunities. Understanding margin requirements is crucial. Initial margin is the minimum equity needed to open a new position, often 50% of the purchase price for standard Reg T accounts. Maintenance margin is the minimum equity you must maintain to keep your positions open, typically 25% of the market value. These requirements can vary significantly based on the asset class, its volatility, and whether you have a Reg T or portfolio margin account. Managing risk is paramount when using margin. Interactive Brokers does not issue traditional margin calls. Instead, real-time liquidations occur if your account has a margin deficiency. It is vital to continuously monitor your excess liquidity and special memorandum account, or SMA, values. Maintaining sufficient equity is key to avoiding automatic liquidation of your positions, which can happen rapidly in fast-moving markets. Interactive Brokers provides several powerful tools to help you manage your margin effectively. The Trader Workstation, or TWS, displays real-time margin summary amounts directly in your account window. For detailed historical data and comprehensive overviews, margin reports are available in the client portal. Always utilize the dedicated margin requirements section within your account management to stay informed about your specific obligations.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.